Good morning, guys. How's it going? This is our third day in Auckland, and I wanted to start out the day with, well, it's a treat. It really is. There's an Aussie guy I watch on YouTube. His name is Mark Victor. He does a channel called Biker Bits, and in one of his videos, he was talking about doing this little, well, they call them biscuits here, of course, but we call them cookies. And it's kind of a little treat that you do. And the cookie that you want to get are called Tim Tams. Okay, now these are Australian and of course New Zealand, because that's where we're at. But these are really nice cookies. As you can see, I've already eaten half of them.
He had help with that.
Yeah, and they also come in different flavors. We bought the caramel ones as well. Those are, well, half gone as well. So yeah, the cookies are just amazing. They're very light and crisp, very chocolatey. But the guy I watch on YouTube, Mark, he was talking about doing a Tim Tam Slam. Okay, so I'm going to do a Tim Tam Slam for you. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to take the biscuit or the cookie, you're going to nibble off one corner. Like that. You're going to turn it around, nibble off the opposite corner. Again. Now what you're going to do, you're going to put that bit corner into your coffee, and then you're going to suck on the other side. And then you slam it. Oh, wow. This is the first time I've actually done it. And the whole cookie just went soft when I was sucking the coffee up. And you gotta suck pretty hard, so hon, with your dental work, I don't think you should do it.
Okay. I wasn't planning on it. I'll just nibble off the end and dunk.
But as you suck on it, you can feel the coffee going up into the cookie, and it just gets all mush. And then you just take it and pop it in your mouth. Oh, I mean, you can see it even melted on my fingers. Oh, that was really good. So let's recap.
He's gonna eat all the cookies. I won't get to try a modified Tim Tam Slam.
Nibble off an end. Nibble off opposite end. Put it in your coffee and suck. That is good.
And the coffee adds a whole nother dimension of flavor then,
The whole
too.
texture of it changes. It's not that light crispy. It just goes mush and goes boom in your mouth. God, that's good. So, Mark Victor from Biker Bits, if you're watching this, thanks for the tip on the Tim Tam Slam. That is awesome.
Okay, so I'm going to do a modified Tim Tam Slam. As he mentioned, I had some dental work done. I had a massive cavity in one of my molars. They had to pull it. So now I have a crater in the back of my mouth, and the post-care instructions said no straws. Doing a Tim Tam Slam, you turn that into a straw. So I'm going to do the nibble on one corner. I'll tell you why in a second. And then I'm actually going to nibble off the entire bottom. And there's the structure of the cookie. Chocolate ganache, crispy wafer cookie, chocolate filling, crispy wafer cookie, chocolate ganache.
Chocolate on top of chocolate on top of chocolate on top of chocolate.
And there's a surprise in this one too. You can sort of kind of see it. Right in the middle there is a ribbon of caramel.
Okay, so yeah, right there is that little piece of caramel, and it runs pretty much the entire length of the cookie.
Okay, so since I can't create the suction to draw the coffee up into the cookie, I'm going to just basically dunk the cookie into the coffee and let it sit for a little bit longer than you would if you were actually sucking the coffee into the cookie. So I'm gonna dunk the wide end. I did create the straw portion, basically a hole on the other end of the coffee or other end of the cookie so that the coffee will move into the cookie a little easier.
Yeah, it kind of pushes whatever air is in there out.
Right, so the air has a place to go.
Right.
I tried it without the nibble on the corner for my first attempt, and it was bubbling. I saw air moving out from underneath the coffee, or underneath the cookie and bubbling up through the coffee. Okay, so we'll try like a slow count of 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I think that's going to be perfect. It's falling apart. Oh, and that coffee or the caramel in there just adds an extra dimension. And it softens the biscuit up in there, and it's just gooey and soft. Oh, that is really good. Time to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I noticed that was a slightly faster count
It
of
was
10.
a slightly faster 10 because it was falling apart on the super slow count, but it was still perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you have it, the modified Tim Tam
Yeah,
Slam.
now look at this. She's got the last little bit on a spoon to dunk in the coffee.
If for whatever reason you can't use a straw, you can still enjoy your Tim Tam with coffee.
Yep.
A Tim Tam Slam dunk.
Oh, there you go.
And that was actually his coffee.
Yeah.
I like mine with a little bit of cream in it.
Yeah, and yet she was still able to eat the cookies in a regular coffee just with a little sugar in it. Thanks, Mark. I appreciate that one. I got my Tim Tam Slam in. Sorry I wasn't able to do it in Australia, but things happened. We couldn't make it over there. But I still got to do it.
You should thank that Emmy too, because she.
Oh yeah, Emmy in Japan. That was another one that showed how to do a Tim Tam Slam. Yep, she was really good too. She's a good channel to watch. So Emmy in Japan, very good. Okay, American guys, you can do Tim Tam Slams in America. I found that they are at Target. So go to Target, go to the cookies in the grocery area. They have Tim Tams there. I think it's $2.50 or $4 for a box. So yeah, try this out. This is awesome.